Hey there, it's me again, the quiet coder. You might have watched one of my TikToks and YouTube shorts, or might remember me as the batch script guy. If you go check my YouTube channel, you'll see that I've removed all of my previous content. Each short, each long-form video, and even the community posts. That's because I realized I was wrong. I originally used batch script as a simple intro to programming. However, batch script was the only thing I was teaching, and my audience got stuck on batch script. It was supposed to be a step towards programming, but it became the biggest roadblock, and that was never the goal. Now, I'm rebooting the channel. That's why I deleted everything. While batch script did help many of you get started, it was only the introduction. Now, we're going deeper. I'm going to teach the real programming languages and professional skills that will actually turn you into a developer. The batch script course you all wanted, it'll still come, but as a course for Windows Workload Automation. The Python series, yes, that one will also come, but as a Zero to Hero series, that will put you in a position where you'll be able to code real Python projects. One of you wanted a video on DDoS explanation. Yes, I will make a video on that too. I made you guys promises, and I will fulfill them. But I need your help. Because I hit the delete button on everything, my watch time is at exactly 0. If you want to see this new era, I need you to subscribe, like the video, and share it. This will help me recover that lost ground. So, what's next? 1. The Python Project Series. 2. Course for Workload Automation using batch script. 3. Thorough explanation of deep programming concepts. Like DDoS, I've got some incredible new tools in my pipeline now, and trust me, I will not let you down. See you on the next one. Until then.
Fabulous.